Hey guys, so big news for everyone that is using Canva. I'm using personally Canva for making images on YouTube and basically editing images and thumbnails because Canva has a very great editing tools. And right now we have a VEO tree available on Canva. What you have to do is just go on Canva. You will see this starting page, and here you will choose Canva AI here or here. So when you choose Canva AI, here you will basically have this basically window of different things that you can do. And what you want to do is create a video clip, and really easy. It will automatically create you a VO3 video, and you just have to write a prompt. I will write a simple, funny text prompt. So here is the prompt. The shark-human hybrid is interviewing a chicken-human hybrid on a street. So the chicken hybrid is eating a chicken nuggets. The shark-human hybrid asks, "Why the hell are you eating chicken nuggets?" And chicken-human hybrid answers, "I love my culture and I love my own people." And both start laughing hysterically. Now, when you write a prompt, you want to write prompts specifically. Really be specific, because sometimes you want to create these interview style videos, and the AI basically does the voiceover for another person that you didn't want to do. That's why you want to always specifically mention who is talking right now, who is answering, what is the scene, what they are doing. If they're laughing, maybe something is in the background. You can even specifically write a camera, what it was filmed with some retro or vintage camera. And here you see we can even choose style, VHS style, black and white cyberpunk. And I will not basically choose anything. I will let the AI think for itself. You can even choose the lighting. So there are many things, many basically additional styles that you can choose from. And aspect ratio duration is 8 seconds because VO3 right now is 8 seconds. Here you can see custom duration, which means that as we all know, the videos will get even better and you will be able to create longer versions of these videos. But right now, we can add blue. The sky is blue. Okay, the sky is blue. So let's start creating this video. It will take most likely 1 to 2 minutes. The best part about this Canva is that Canva only costs them $10 a month. So you can basically buy the subscription for 1 month. You can create the 5 videos because this is a 5 video limit every month for pro users. You just create basically five videos, cancel the subscription, and just live your life because it's quite cheap. I think other AI basically platforms asks for $20 or $30 a month for you to access VO3. That's why this is really cheap, but I am using Canva in my everyday life. That's why 5 videos a month is really nice, basically gift. Another thing that you can actually create videos from an image, so you can just basically upload your own image or something that you have used, write a prompt, and you will actually create a video from an image. Here is the video. Let's listen how it sounds.
Why the hell are you eating chicken nuggets?
I love my culture and I love my own people.
So here we can see that AI actually didn't do the job correctly. And this actually looks quite bad. I think the gym, for example, I have a tutorial where I am using VO3 in Gemini.
Why the hell are you eating chicken nuggets?
Because this doesn't look like human and chicken hybrid. I mean, it looks a little bit, but this is not realistic. Maybe we have to create this video one more time and just write ultra realistic. So let's write ultra realistic. So here is another video.
Why the hell are you eating chicken nuggets? I love my culture and I love my own people.
So this version, I like it better, but still the chicken is not answering. So let's create a new video. I will create an ultra realistic handheld video on a street. Alien is eating a carrot. He then spits it out and says, "What hell are you humans eating? Tastes like garbage." So here is the alien video. It looks much better. Let's hear the sound.
What the hell are you humans eating? Tastes like garbage! What the hell are you humans eating?
So this is already much better in my opinion, but it didn't spit out the carrot. But overall, it's actually great. The first video, for some reason, was quite lame in my opinion, but overall, here you can see that it is actually working, and this is actually high quality video.
Tastes like garbage!
And let's try for the last time the shark human and chicken hybrid video. I just changed the prompt a little bit, but let's see if the VEO3 will get it right this time. And as I'm creating here, you can see you created 3 videos so far this month. Your plan allows you to create 5 each calendar month. So this will be the 4th video, and after that, 1 more video. Overall, that's how you can create a VEO3 videos on Canva. This one was basically simple, alien eating carrot and talking. When you get 2 basically per characters and they are talking something, some lines of text, it is much harder for AI to generate something great. But you can still make great videos if you are using Canva. Feel free to basically create videos with VEO3 every month, 5 credits. So yeah, that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.